Hello there! In this video, we are going to learn about onomatopoeia. Let's get started. So, what exactly is onomatopoeia? It is when a word is formed to imitate the sound of the thing it represents. For example, the word sizzle sounds like the noise of food cooking on a hot pan. You probably use onomatopoeia every day without even realizing it. Think about the meow of a cat, the honk of a car, the ding-dong of a doorbell. It's in our conversations, our surroundings, and even in the sounds of nature. Onomatopoeia is a favorite in storytelling. In comic books, words like bam and kaboom make action scenes come alive. In poetry, they create vivid imagery, like in Alfred Lord Tennyson's The Moan of Doves in Immemorial Elms. Even movies use them for sound effects, like splash, crash, and clatter are staples of great sound design. Onomatopoeia isn't just for comic books and poetry. You can also use it to enhance your own writing. Here are some tips. Use it to describe sounds vividly. The firewood cracked and popped in the fireplace. Add it to dialogue for fun. Did you hear that boom last night? Make it part of action scenes. The car screeched to a halt. Get creative and let your words sing. That's the buzz about onomatopoeia. Now it's your turn. Share your favorite sound words in the comments below. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about onomatopoeia. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!